Good morning, boys and girls. You ready for another game of Guess Who, kind of like Guess Who? I'm going to show you a letter. You have to say the sound. And then I'm going to say the sound, and we'll see if you matched mine. You ready? Just say the sound of this letter. And then I'm going to say it. Ready? Did you say What's this letter? Say the sound. Here I come. Say the sound. Here I come. D. You got to go fast with me. It's that same one we had. D. Are you keeping up with me? Put your tongue up at the top. B. A. N. Gotta be fast. W. Er. Z. Y. Qu. X. Eh. Ah. Are you doing okay? Going fast. G. I. J. V. Good job. Hope you like that different form of Guess Who. See you later.